Fantastic drone from DJI, and two very different drones, different in price, different in technology. Inspire 1 came out for many years ago. It had been on the market for many years. It's for professional users, TV, commercial, everything. And in Europe, max range about 2 kilometers. You can fly 2 kilometers with it, maybe some more, maybe less. It depends where you fly. My newest is Mavic Air. You can fly, in Europe it's very bad. You can fly some 100 meters, it's terrible. When you get it, you can fly about 300-400 meters. And then you get problem because it's use Wi-Fi, not OcuSync, but use Wi-Fi, and it's much interference and much problem with Wi-Fi, and it's two different channels on Wi-Fi, 2.4 and 5.8. So when you get this Mavic Air, you can set Wi-Fi to 2.4 gigahertz. You fly longer, maybe you get 1 kilometer range if you're lucky, and you can take it over from CE mode, Europe, to FCC mode, who are American. My drone is now in FCC mode, and then I can fly about 4 kilometers, 4,000 meters on Wi-Fi. It's extremely much. It's much longer than my Inspire 1. I have fly 2,500 meters, and I had even strong signal, but I choose to fly back, fly home. So tour to tour I had about 6 kilometers, and I had not so much battery left. So that was great experience. So little machine can do so much. It's crazy. It's not the newest, it's the next newest. The newest is Mavic Pro 2. This comes some months before. It's a drone between Spark and Mavic Pro, in the middle of this Spark and Mavic Pro, and it's fantastic camera on 4K. It's so little, like you see here. It's extremely little camera, but it's so sharp. It's extremely sharp. It's sometimes I feel like this is much better than this. Right out of the box, sometimes I feel like that. Very crispy, sharp, good colors and contrast. I like it, fantastic. And so small that you can take it with you everywhere. This is the arm for Wi-Fi. This, there, like this, there. See how small it be. It's like nothing. It's like a box of Coca-Cola or something. So it's so easy to have with you. And I bought the combo pack, so I had 3 batteries. So you can near up to 20 minutes in one battery. But I say about 16, 15, 16, 17 minutes. So you have like 45 minutes, 3 battery. It's much. So this is great drone, but you have to do something. You have to learn something. You have to put it in FCC mode. If you buy this like me and go 50 meters high in the air and you get problem, then you think, what the fuck, this is extremely bad. You'll be very disappointed. I was so disappointed. So I read much. I tried to find out what I can do, and first I do was to put it over to 2.4 gigahertz, and then it go higher in the air, 80 meters, maybe go high and fly long, near up to kilometer. And then I use Android, and I use fake GPS, and I get my drone to think that I was in America, and then I got FCC mode, and because of FCC mode I have now 4 kilometer range. So every time I turn on my drone, he asks me, you won't go back because you understand that I'm in my country. but I say cancel every time. And then I have FCC mode, so I have stronger signal. It's only about that. This one, you have stronger signal. It's about low. In Europe it's like maximum 2 kilometer. America like 4 kilometer. I don't know why, but it's like that. So now this is in FCC mode, 4 kilometer range. And that's cool. So I fly longer with this little one than I fly with this monster. It's very special. Really. It's great. And another thing, you can take out this hair. So if you can have it in your jeans or something, it's a little bit okay. I think about everything like that. You can take them off. And you have sport mode, so you can fly long. Yes. But this machine is the monster. This is the... if you are professional, you fly this one. The price is much down too. It was much higher in the beginning. It cost up to $4,000 US when it was brand new. 3.5. But now it's like 2,000, little bit over $2,000 US. And it's great. I fly today and I fly over a kilometer, full signal. And wind 7 meters per second wind, so it was much wind today, but this is so strong. 6 cell lipo. It's like a monster in the air. It's cool. And this drone is like 1 year and some months, 1 year and 4 months old. And the coolest to fly is this, of course, but sometimes I feel like camera on this little is better than this big. But of course you can work with it after and do many things, and you can change another camera to here on this, so you can choose different camera too. It's for more professionals. It's 4K too, but it was the first drone with 4K camera who come out this from DJI, and yeah. But it's very different in price, of course. You can buy 3 of this for price of 1 of this. So, and very, very big props. 13-inch, like a monster. See here, cool. Very nice. So now you can see yourself this, the Mavic Air, the little one, the big one, the big brother, the props of 13-inch. Carbon fiber, strong material, thick, heavy. It's a dream to fly this one. It's true. Fantastic. That is nothing more to say. When we turn on this there, and we turn on this, and now you can see calibrating gimbal dance. Ready. And you can all see it's ready because you have a green light on the sender. So now it's ready. It's ready for the next step, and the next step is to use this Apple iPad. I will show you. So now we have the drone. Everything is ready because of the green lamp. DJI Go. See here, the drone is filming me. Hello. So there it is. So here you have control about how many satellites ready to go, GPS mode. You have full control here. You can change everything, and camera is here, it's done on automatic, and yeah, you have many things to do here if you want. Very nice. So now it's ready to fly, ready to take off. Monster drone. Worth every penny. Fantastic little machine. The signature about its own. We're waiting for green lamp on this. And then we got green light. It's ready to connecting phone. I use UV P20 Pro. It's already there. Go fly. And here we are. So we can, so there it is. And now we are ready to fly here too. Little fantastic drone, sensor in front, sensor back and under. There are two. Fantastic little machine that you can fly many kilometers with this little one. It's fantastic. Good engineering. It's always some update with DJI drone, so always check about updates before you begin to fly, so you don't stand there and use your time on updates. There's always some firmware retry. Okay, this is on fly safe database. I ignore it, but now I try to make downloading.